Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ethereum. Wanted to do a full update on that. Yesterday we talked about whether or what would happen, and as most of you know, I've been convinced that we would actually be able to get some bullish momentum for quite a few days, so it's nice to see that that actually happened. We got some volume finally into the market, which you can also see on the chart. Here you can see we actually we got some bumps in volume, which caused the volume right now to be around 6.6 billion, which is good. It's relatively high even if you compare to last week, so that's obviously great. It's a little bit of speculation ahead of the FOMC minutes, so that's yeah, that's obviously coming up. I'll do a full update on that tomorrow. It's not important enough to today to actually talk about that, but that does bring a little bit of volume into the markets. We technically got a bullish breakout with Ethereum, but we are technically also not trending. So it's the question whether we can hold that, but that is one of the main things we'll talk about in this video. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. So now onto Ethereum. So we actually got some bullish momentum. I mean, this momentum is all coming from institutions, institutional buying, just whales getting into the market, right? I mean, the volume over the course of, well, what is it, 3 hours went from 4.4 billion to over 6 billion. That's just, I mean, that's not retail, right? That's not retail entering positions. So there's probably some big parties entering some long positions. So that raises the question, well, can we actually continue to go up from here? Because what I always said is that I expected a move up to this level right here around 1860 and 1875. That is what we reached. But while doing that, we actually got a nice bullish breakout above this level right here, which I'll actually illustrate for you. This level between 1835 and 1845, which also has the break retest off of the 382 FIB and the 200 EMA. So ideally what we would do is we would get that break retest, which we have already gotten, and then actually break above our resistance level right now. So break above 1875 and then get up to this level right here around 1915 and 1920. 100% possible, 100% realistic. Is it guaranteed that that will happen though? 100% not. Right now, as I said, technically we are not even trending yet. The ADX right now is around 14, which marked as trending if it's above 20. And yeah, I mean we have respected the EMAs a little bit, which would suggest that we are in a trend, but only down, right? So we only had it as resistance. So right now, what you could still very much argue is that we're in a consolidation like this, right, between these yellow lines. So we'll see. I think at this point of time it is, even though I'm fairly bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin, I think it is still a little bit more likely that from here we will start to drop back down towards these levels around 1800 and 1780 again, before the FOMC minutes. However, if for example today we also have the new home sales numbers coming out, if that's actually lower than expected as well, that could actually be enough of a bullish catalyst to let us break above 1875. So it depends a little bit on the news and the reaction to that. But overall, I think a bullish breakout after a nice bullish move like this is a bit much to ask. But that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.